Hello, this is my task 1 for Let's Grow More internship. My first task, I have combined two of the tasks, which is a classification of iris dataset using ML models and building a decision tree. So as you can see, I have used the iris.csv dataset for my machine learning algorithm for classifying this dataset and making the decision tree out of it. This is my decision tree. I have imported NumPys, Pandas, Seaborn, and Matplotlib. I've imported the iris CSV, and then you have the sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width, and the species. The info of my iris dataset, it has no null columns. These are the column names, and these are the data types. The value counts of each species, it's equally distributed between Setosa, versicolor, and virginica. Then we are encoding using species and we're allotting it the values. We have the columns as ID, sepal length, sepal width, petal width, species, and species classes. And then now we prepare our model. First, we split our data test set using train test split, the test size being 20% of the data set with random states at 223. This is, since we're using a decision tree classifier, the max depth is 2,8. The sklearn model selection, we use grid search CV, decision tree classifier. We use param grid CV10, verbose is 10, njobs is 1, and we fit the tree using train test, train X, and train Y. Fitting 10 folds for each of 18 candidates, totally 180 fits. Now the best score of the tree is 95, 0.95, which is 95.8%. The best estimator of the tree, the max features are 4. Best parameters, there are max features 4 and max depth of the tree is 4. Now we predict our train X values. Then we import the sklearn model and we report the model and we build a final decision tree, max depth 4 and max features as 2. We fit our train test data. Our actual and predicted values are set into a data frame, and then we find the accuracy score and the confusion matrix using a heat map. And then we plot it using PLT, X label, and Y label. And then we also generate a graphical representation of our decision tree. The sepal length, sepal width, petal width, Setosa, versicolor, and virginica. And then we plot it using fig axis subplot. G.plottree is the library used to plot this decision tree. And we save the fig as imagename.png. This is my confusion matrix and this is my heat map. And as we can see, this is our decision tree, which was finally generated.